So today I have to try to extract that screw, and that screw is rounded, and of course I mean naturally round. Is a round head screw. The inside is Torx, and the Torx has also been rounded off. Now I already pulled this out with vice grips, and then I ordered more, but when I came back to install it, somebody had tightened it down with a flathead, but I can't loosen it back up. So I'm gonna try these nut extractors and see if I can't make it work with that. That might work. Let's give that a shot. Now, to get this to work properly, I think I'm supposed to seat it. I want to be a little bit delicate because it's a circuit board underneath. Yeah, I grabbed it no problem. Oh, that was easy. All right. Put the new one in and call it a day.